how did you happen to be in brewing industry?
This is a classic style of beer which most Indians love.
Yes. तो क्राफ्ट बियर कहीं अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. I mean,
मिसकंसेप्शन एक तो सबसे पहले महंगी है.
hi Apurva, welcome to Kadak.
Hi, Mayank, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm glad that we could make this happen
Yes,
today.
me too.
Let's start by you share your journey. How did you happen to be in brewing industry? How did it all start? So yeah, over to you now.
Yeah. So I'm actually a biotechnologist. उसमें ही food fermentation technology, you develop an interest towards it, and then it is very intriguing when you realize के beer बना सकते हैं.
Correct.
Like there's someone that makes beer also, right?
Absolutely.
So that is the thing that actually started it all. And then when you travel, you realize कि craft beer India में available नहीं था उस point पे when I had this idea. Eventually, of course, there were great new brands that have come up like yours, Effengut, many different brands have taken it over. But I still see that there is a little bit of, there's a lack of awareness that is there regarding craft beers, which I would like to fill in the gap.
No,
with my brand.
the idea is that only that with this podcast or with this conversation we bring about some awareness into the market. तो बात हाँ आप सही बोल रहे हो थोड़ा awareness की issue तो है. But then this was when did you go for your
In 2012, I finished.
2012,
Yeah, so that was long time ago.
तब तो इंडिया ने
तब तो-
सुना भी नहीं था
नहीं,
कि
नहीं,
craft beer
काफी
में कोई
नहीं
चीज
था.
होती है. So this was where did you go for your
I went to UK.
UK? Oh wow. So before going to UK you didn't know anything about brewing or
No, I'm a biotechnologist, so we did have a curriculum where we finished fermentation technology. तो उसमें काफी सारी food technology based everything. In fact, हम लोग ने पढ़ाई की.
उसमें सबसे exciting क्या था मतलब where did you
चीज से
get
लेके सब कुछ ही. So चीज था बहुत सारी चीजें. Complete fermentation technology, सब कुछ ही. Dehydration, सारी चीजें. Packaging, everything we have studied.
Okay.
But beer was something that really intrigued me, so that is what I got into.
So this was a 1 year full course.
Yeah,
Okay. 1 year entire.
for practical brewing, yes, it was a long course. But yes, we had majorly the molecular part was covered in the masters when I finished my masters in tech and biotechnology. But the practicality में आते हैं.
So practicality में आप लोग क्या you go to the brewing when you do the brewing also? आप लोग
No,
brewing
I'm
करते हैं?
not right now. I don't because I have a partner with me. And
Ush
he's
time पे?
completely, an expert in brewing and all of those things.
Okay.
So I don't majorly get into all of those things, though I know how to make it. But I do have certain inputs,
Okay.
but
पर
not
आपने
majorly.
2012 में जब आप गए होंगे तब तो आपने किया होगा ना
हाँ.
brewing. That's
वहाँ पे
when
भी मैं अकेली ही थी.
wow.
I was the only Indian also, I think. And there was another Indian boy. But yeah, I was again alone.
Are there is there anyone that you look up to? I mean, as a mentor or somebody that you would want to?
Not one particular person, but there are a lot of people who sort of, groomed me throughout the way. I think beer banana बहुत easy है in comparison, but marketing it and being able to, get into the whole economics of it is what is more challenging, I feel, in Maharashtra.
Absolutely. So, what advice would you give to a young aspiring woman who would want to take up brewing as a career?
I would suggest them to meet a lot of people like us who are already into
तो बोले पहले पहले पीना सीखो.
हाँ पीना तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा. Unless you're interested and passionate, I don't think this is the field for you. Because you also, I'm sure within your story, there is a lot of challenges that you have to come through.
See, I guess challenges are a part and parcel of whatever that.
Yes, absolutely.
But then, I think India as a country also has this notion wherein कि यार ये लड़कियों के काम की चीज नहीं है.
हाँ.
So that's where I was wondering that. No, and if you look at, there are very few women those who are into this
Brewing
kind of
also. Yeah,
brewing.
I'm trying to change that narrative actually.
That's
It's so
precisely what we want.
surprising कि like लड़कियों को ये पता ही नहीं होता है. That
हाँ.
is the thing. The major part ये होता है घर वाले मना कर देते हैं. So to have a good supportive ecosystem is very important.
And I think ये वाला angle तो थोड़ा change हो रहा है with parents now being a little more supportive. I think internet is playing also a very important role in the awareness. And today we kind of know that there are, apart from being engineers, doctors, or XYZ, there are other
There are so many professions
profession that you
and
can take up.
there are so exciting professions है ये सारे मुझे ऐसा लगता है because you get to learn a lot, you get to meet a lot of people, also you get to experiment a lot, isn't it? Like you get to experiment with the local ingredients sometimes if you're into cuisine. Something inspires you, some spice inspires you to do something. Yeah.
So tell us more about your journey with Barba Beers now. I believe I met you in 2019. You had a tap room in Vasai now.
Yes, yes.
So from there to now, Barba, a full-fledged, huge
It was a
brewery.
long journey.
Okay.
So, actually, so licensing process in microbreweries actually happens in two stages.
Okay.
So the first stage is to procure an LOR, which is a letter of intent.
Oh.
उसके लिए भी आपको about 6 months to 1 year
अच्छा,
लग सकता
ये
है.
आपने सेटअप करने के पहले का कहानी
Yes, ये सारा
बिफोर इवन टेकिंग अ स्पेस आपको पहले LOI लेना पड़ता है.
नहीं, पहले स्पेस लेना है.
स्पेस लेके
फिर आप सब प्रोसेस उसमें करेंगे. Just the space. You're supposed to show the excise department that this is the space.
Oh.
I want to start a microbrewery over here. So वो प्रोसेस में
actually.
वहां से लेके वो LOI तक मेरा हो गया था.
तो ये
Near the tap room.
कितना लंबा प्रोसेस है? I mean,
About 6 months to a year.
6 months.
Yeah. To about it takes.
प्रैक्टिकली आपको जगह खरीदनी पड़ जाएगी, मतलब रेंट पे तो कोई इतना टाइम आपको छोड़ेगा नहीं. सो दिस इज व्हेन हमने अभी तक ब्रूरी
नहीं की.
लगाई भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
वी जस्ट हैव द स्पेस. नाउ अपने LOI लिया. ओके.
So LOI तक मेरा pre-COVID हो गया था.
अच्छा.
But because of COVID, we couldn't finish that over there.
ओके.
In that particular space. Then we decided post-COVID to, come up with a bigger plan. I got in some a partner with me in the project. So that's when we decided instead of going for a 3-year chunk, we went for a bigger plan. We completely went for an industrial setup.
Wonderful.
So better late than never, I would say.
No, absolutely. I mean, I think this is the right time to be in this industry because
Yes.
it's already been 10, 12 years in India that the craft beers have been
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
और अब ये धीरे धीरे करके it is now, I mean, again, as I, what we were discussing about the awareness part. Yeah. So how do you see this industry shaping up in the near future?
Honestly, I feel there's a lot of scope
Mhm.
because if you see the beer consumption that happens in India only, there is around 400 billion that happens.
I think हाँ, बहुत सारे tap rooms खुल रहे हैं
खुल
already.
रहे हैं. Plus there is also bottling permission आ गया है अभी
Wow.
brewing में.
हाँ.
So craft beer,
Correct.
you can be basically selling. You can sell a bottled craft beer at this
I
point.
think that's a landmark decision, which is very specific to Maharashtra, right? अभी और मैंने कहीं सुना
और
नहीं है.
कहीं नहीं है. It's only allowed in Maharashtra, which is going to give it a much bigger, area to work on because now you can send it to directly a B2B outlet also.
I think सबसे बड़ा जो awareness के लिए what can work for that is कि जो दिखेगा वही बिकेगा. So अभी तक तो craft beer कहीं available ही नहीं है. I mean, you've got
A
to
lot
go
of
to
people don't even know the difference.
Yeah,
कि
that's
craft beer
precisely.
क्या है?
So if I may understand this correctly, तो अगर आप इसको bottle कर सकते हो और can कर सकते हो, that means आपका ये जो can है, ये एक regular wine shop में मिल जाएगा.
मिल जाएगा, exactly. So you'll be able to sell it at a wine shop, local markets also, honestly.
So there's a notion, with the crafted beer that उसकी shelf life बहुत कम होती है and you need to store it particularly at a particular temperature. So वो कैसे manage होगा?
In a
if you
bottle beer, you can basically, when you're bottling, generally filtration करना ही पड़ेगा आपको.
Okay.
Either filtration करोगे या फिर pasteurize करोगे. उसमें obviously there's a loss of a little bit of flavor over there. अगर canning करेंगे या bottling करेंगे. But still, it is much better, it's value for money, I feel, in comparison to a bottled beer any day because it's more flavorful, it is locally produced. The ingredients are much more high quality.
Absolutely. Okay. So I think for the audience, we need to tell them that ये जो क्राफ्टेड बियर्स है जो कि आप टैप पे पीते हैं ये अनफिल्टर्ड होते हैं,
Yes, yes,
अनपैस्चराइज
yes.
होते हैं.
Unpasteurized.
सो
होते हैं.
बेसिकली उसके अंदर वो सारे जो
Yeast.
ईस्ट ईस्ट है वो मौजूद रहते हैं, उसके अंदर मॉल्ट का जो एक्सट्रैक्शन है वो सब वैसे ही रहता है. दैट इज व्हाई दीज आर अ लिटिल गाड़ी गाड़ी सी,
हाँ.
इसीलिए इसको गाड़ी बियर कहते हैं.
Exactly. वो आपको जो
In a layman
Kingfisher
language.
या other brands basically water brands में clear beer मिलती है ना, वो नहीं होता है. At the end, sometimes whenever you are carrying a growler or something like that, some craft beer, also you can see some sedimentation at the bottom.
No, yeah. So
That is the yeast basically, which is the freshness. That's the quality actually.
हाँ, so we've had incidents like such जहाँ पे केक का लास्ट पार्ट में शायद वो रहा होगा,
हाँ.
बहुत ही ज्यादा
गाढ़ा हो.
थिक, या बहुत ही ज्यादा थिक बियर आ गई. एंड देन पीपल वर लाइक अरे यार ये क्या है यार, इसमें कुछ है, इसको हटाओ. नाउ टू बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन देम कि यार ये खराब नहीं है,
हाँ.
दीज आर ऑल सेडिमेंटेशन ऑफ द बियर जो कि आ गया है. We would change that, but then कभी कभार you know looking at their facial expression आपको लगता है कि यार ये इनको समझ में आया नहीं है, they लाइक कि अरे नहीं ये तो बहुत गंदी है, बेकार है, ये आप लोग इतना भी ध्यान नहीं रख सकते, that kind. But चलो glad I think कि with lot more of tap rooms coming up in the market, I think ये धीरे धीरे करके ये
Change
culture
हो जाएगा.
बदलना. How do you see youngsters playing role in the overall craft beer revolution that is happening in the country?
I think Gen Z is playing a very big role because they are very much, aware about what is happening in the market, what ingredients are going in the products that they're consuming, the kind of ethics also kind of matters to the Gen Z. Honestly, uh, what kind of values your brand has. That also makes a lot of difference to the next coming generation. So whenever you're delivering a good quality product like a craft beer, I think Gen Z is going to go crazy over it once they are complete, that when there is awareness about it.
So, how do we see Indian craft beer market compared to the global trends that is going on? हमें क्या लगता है कि I mean, are we still there compared to what Europe or the European craft beer industry is doing?
Obviously, we are not there yet, but there is a lot of scope with the Indian ingredients that we have. For right now, we are also importing our malt because of the quality of the malt that we want for the product. It is not available in Indian market. Indian malts don't give that kind of the sugar content, the sugar content that we need for brewing, right? So, वो अगर आप some experiments or some exploration in that area is going to be very helpful, I feel, eventually. कि हम अगर Indian ingredients, Indian malt अच्छे quality का produce कर पाए, तो that would be a very good game
I think
changer.
produce तो करते हैं हम लोग, it's just that वो ऐसे easily available नहीं. I think most of the good produce that we have from India वो export हो जा रहा है. वो हमें मिलता नहीं. That could be a reason, but very important point that you made here is that the sugar content जो है वो अच्छा निकल नहीं पाता
Extraction
है.
नहीं
So
हो पाता
basically
है.
you guys do not add any sugar to your beer, right?
No.
But-
So the whole brewing process of a craft beer or any standardized beer is basically you are basically extracting sugars and making it available to the yeast in the form of a liquid.
Oh wow.
So that is the whole process. And the yeast does all the work. So we are not adding any kind of, alcohol externally or flavoring agents or preservatives. Nothing else is going inside except for, sugar, water, yeast, malt. That's it.
Wow. So what are the misconceptions that you've heard around crafted beers?
मिसकंसेप्शन एक तो सबसे पहले महंगी है एक तो वो नहीं है फैक्चुअल बिकॉज इफ यू आर हैविंग इन अ टैप रूम अ बियर इन अ टैप रूम आपको एनीवेज कोरोना पाइंट भी आपको अराउंड 350 तक का पड़ जाता है
Correct.
isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
So if you compare that with because corona considering it as a standard that we want to achieve
Correct.
वो
Even
quality-
Ho Garden, I think,
Exactly, yeah.
was
Nice, another
very
good-
expensive.
Very expensive. So if you if this quality is the same, just it is made in India, it is locally produced, and it is much cheaper if you compare it to, Corona Ho Garden.
if somebody who loves Ho Garden, वो craft beer में which beer they should
Yeah, you should definitely try Belgian meat.
Belgian meat.
Yeah,
Belgian meat is the style. And okay, so people ask what is the difference between a Belgian and a German style. So उनको हम लोग तो जैसे लेमन लैंग्वेज में बताते हैं बेल्जियम से बनकर आ रही है जर्मनी
हाँ, so
स्टाइल की है.
majorly it is एक तो different styles and the flavor profile is completely different. Belgian wheat is generally whitish in color because उसमें ज़्यादा wheat हम लोग wheat content ज़्यादा रखते हैं and the yeast that is used for both is different, so the flavoring is also different. एक में banana cloud flavor आता है which is Hefeweizen, which is berry, that is the brand name that we have for Barba Baby, that is the Hefeweizen, which is
Yeah, we'll bring out some of your beers and we'll try and taste also.
yeah, one.
So yeah, okay.
And in this we have a lovely for orange. You know, you get some orange tints of orange, hints of orange.
These are
in the
fresh
red
oranges
chili.
that you.
Yeah, we do add a little bit. To,
Alright.
yeah, in the batch, some peels.
So we were briefly discussing about starting up a brewery. When you were mentioning कि पहले alloy लेना पड़ता है. So what challenges do you see for somebody who would want to start a brewery in India? उसको क्या-क्या चीजों के बारे में उनको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा? And what are the challenges that you think that they'll face?
There are a lot of challenges, honestly, to start up a microbrewery. Let's not sugarcoat it. कि बहुत इजी है ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे regulations, बहुत सारे licenses आपको procure करने पड़ते हैं before you can actually go ahead and start a microbrewery. जिसमें से मेनली लाइसेंसिंग पार्ट है जिसकी वजह से टाइम ड्यूरेशन कम होता नहीं है. इफ वी कैन कट डाउन द 1 year टाइम जिसमें अ बिजनेस ओनर इज बेसिकली कीपिंग दैट स्पेस फॉर अबाउट अ ईयर्स टाइम, नॉट मेकिंग एनी मनी आउट ऑफ इट, तो वो आप कट डाउन कर सके समवेयर. दैट इज आई थिंक the best thing that could happen. Secondly, I think the duties can be reduced a little bit, so that if the duties are reduced, it is much cheaper for a business person
Yeah.
to provide it to the customers, the consumers.
Yeah, even for the taproom models, for us to be able to promote craft beers more, I think duties play a very, very important. अगर duty थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी तो I think we can bring down the cost of the product per se, and then probably it will be much more easily available to me,
Absolutely.
affordable and available.
Absolutely. And बाकी regulatory है, काफी चीजें हैं इसके अंदर. So if mainly it's the timeline of procuring that if that gets reduced, I see a lot of microbreweries can easily come up in Maharashtra.
Yeah, I think licensing is a big challenge. Obviously, Maharashtra or Mumbai per se has location also is very expensive.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So the rentals for a whole year to have, to be able to pay that, you already have to, up loss से ही start कर रहे हो. So a lot of people, lot of businesses do not, entertain that kind of a model. So
Wow, wonderful. Great. I think mote तौर पे we've been able to cover a lot of things around the
Yeah,
crafted
craft
beers
beers.
during the discussion. Should we now call your beers and do a small
yes,
tasting,
absolutely.
right? Go. Chalo, let's do some beer tasting now. ये सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट है पूरे पॉडकास्ट का. वो बियर चखने को मिल रही है. Give me the glasses.
So we have a rice lager here, and this is a classic style of beer which most Indians love.
Wow.
And this is a 8% one that we have here. We also add Indrayani rice to this, which is very special kind of rice, which is found in Maharashtra. So we tried to incorporate sort of a little Maharashtra touch to it. So this is the kind
So
of
when we say Indrani rice, I mean rice as a primary malt, right? We have.
no, as an adjunct. Yeah.
ठीक है, चलो. Let me do the honors. Cheers.
Yes.
Rice lager. Wow. Wow. Yeah. You're getting that. हिंदी में होता है ना राइस का माड़, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Yeah. So I'm getting that
Getting.
rice का interesting rice taste.
Yes.
Interestingly, बहुत ज़्यादा.
It is
Aroma-
just smell.
yeah.
I was
It has the aroma of rice also.
It does. Also, the hop content we have kept to a minimum because that is bitterness is not very appreciated very much in a commercial setup. So we have made this specifically for somebody who likes commercial beer. So if you don't like craft beer, you haven't tried a craft beer, I think this should be your first beer.
So we often tell people when they come to our
Yes.
cafe and then they ask us कि क्या we don't know anything about craft beer, क्या शुरू करें कैसे करें, we tell them कि आप फिर एक काम करो, आप लागर पे ही शुरू करो.
Exactly.
So I guess this will play a very very important role in for people to adapt
Exactly.
to.
So once you try it, you will understand the difference in the quality. कि क्या
Absolutely,
इसका
yeah.
difference है compared to the bottle beer. And then you can always, enter into different kind of. Then maybe you can try a Hoegaarden, a
So then
Hefeweizen,
slowly you can try and
a Belgian.
different style of
Yeah.
beer, right? Yeah, because if I give somebody in the beginning कि भाई double पी लो,
हाँ.
dunkel पी लो, so they
Stout
are like
दिखे, then
stout.
like-
The stout, बड़ा खुशी की बात ये है that in a Chembur outlet, stout जो है अच्छी.
I
there are
am
people who love.
surprised at the change of trend this year because this is the first time we did a stout only for the December month. We thought we'll make it a nice, festival kind of special stout, but हमको demand आता गया, so we
Wow.
had to put in another batch. So I'm happy that Mumbai is open to something new.
Absolutely,
It's
and
very
आप लोगों
nice.
को कुछ अच्छी IPA बनानी चाहिए. I mean,
IPA, right?
You guys should try some IPA also. I
Yes,
think
yes.
IPA is also one of the styles out there जो लोगों को. See, मेरी तो favorite है. I love.
I also same here.
So I love IPA, but unfortunately, I think it's again the market forces. वो बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे मिलती नहीं है. People don't brew IPA in Mumbai. So hopefully, with this podcast, we'll be able to influence a lot of people.
Yes,
to
I'm
come and
excited
try.
to make a nice double IP or maybe a NIPA.
And Nipa is a
But,
good,
yeah.
good to start with. I think Nipa कर सकते. Double IPA, I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
कि वो धीरे-धीरे वाला है, but हाँ Nipa से you can try a Nipa or a session, any session IPA that you want to. I think and we'll keep it on tap.
You perfect.
I love IPA. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, मैं 20 लीटर अपने लिए मंगा खुद ही पी लूँ अगर कोई नहीं पी रहा है तो. But हाँ एक अच्छी बात ये है कि with the new age styles, I would say, because इंडिया में तो हमने लागर के अलावा कुछ और बहुत समय तक देखा नहीं है. So these will be a newer style for people in India. So stout is doing बहुत अच्छा है, phenomenally well.
Yes,
We also have some ciders from another brewery here in market. Ciders भी अच्छे जा रहे हैं. I think Belgian wheat, German wheat, they are all-time classic.
exactly.
Lagers again, as you rightly said, कि इसको बेचना नहीं पड़ता. Lager लोगों को मालूम होता है lager. Just that few very experimental styles, जैसे dunkel हो गया, double हो गया. Now we brewed a golden ale at our Powai wala brewery. So golden ale वो धीरे धीरे करके now these are very acquired taste. इसको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. So yeah, we tell people कि आप पहले लागर से शुरू करो. अगर आपको ये समझ में आने लगी है, then we can try and experiment.
Some beers have, you understand the taste at the bottom of the glass. Once
हाँ.
you finish the whole glass, that's when you'll be like, oh, I like that one, and I want to have another one.
हाँ.
So वो craft beers में वो
I think
काफी
yeah,
strange है.
ये हाँ कि पहला जो टेस्ट है वो अलग है.
Yeah,
And the
don't go to the
aftertaste,
first.
yeah, and the
Wait,
after.
wait for the mouthfeel to come, and then I think that is. an
So very good advice. ऐसा कुछ करो. Yeah. ठीक है. Purva, it was wonderful chatting up with you.
Same.
I'm glad that you could make on your time schedule to come and meet us today and have this beautiful conversation.
Thank you so
Once
much
again,
for having
thank you.
me.
Thank you
so
very
much
much.
for having me.